Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're planning to apply for the DAAD Scholarship to study in Germany, you'll need a compelling motivation letter that effectively showcases your academic background, professional goals, and commitment to positive change. In today's tutorial, I'll take you through the exact structure of a motivation letter for the DAAD Scholarship. We'll go step by step, explaining what to include in each section, why it's important, and how to present your qualifications in the best possible way. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to craft a strong and persuasive letter that enhances your chances of securing this prestigious scholarship. Let's dive in. Your contact information. The first thing you need to include at the top of your letter is your contact details. This section ensures that the selection committee can easily identify your application and reach out if needed. Example: your full name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. Make sure your details are up to date and that you use a professional email address. This will help maintain a formal and polished tone right from the start. Date. Next, include the date when you are submitting your letter. Example: date, March 12, 2025. This small detail is important because it helps keep track of when the letter was written and ensures your application is processed correctly. Recipient's information. Now, address your letter to the correct selection committee at the university you are applying to. Example: DAAD Scholarship Selection Committee. University name. University address. City, postal code, Germany. This ensures that your letter reaches the right officials who will be reviewing your application. If you know the specific department handling scholarship applications, you can include that as well. Subject line. Your subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter. Example: subject, application for DAAD Scholarship, program name. This makes it immediately clear to the committee that your letter is part of your scholarship application. Salutation. Start your letter with a formal greeting. Example: dear members of the selection committee. Since multiple reviewers will likely read your application, using a general but respectful salutation ensures that your letter remains professional and appropriate. Opening paragraph. Expressing your motivation. The first paragraph should introduce who you are, the scholarship you're applying for, and why you are interested in it. Example: I am writing to express my strong motivation to apply for the DAAD Scholarship to pursue a master's or PhD degree in your field of study at university name in Germany. With a deep commitment to academic excellence and professional growth, I am eager to enhance my expertise in mention your field while contributing to meaningful research and development in my home country. The DAAD Scholarship presents an exceptional opportunity to gain world-class education, engage in cross-cultural learning, and apply my knowledge to real-world challenges. This paragraph is critical because it immediately conveys your enthusiasm for the program. Make sure to state the specific degree you're applying for and your field of study. Also, briefly explain why the DAAD Scholarship is important to you, whether it's for academic development, research, or making a positive impact in your home country. Body paragraph 1. Your academic and professional background. This section should highlight your educational achievements and any relevant work experience that have prepared you for this scholarship. Example: I hold your previous degree in your major from your university and have developed a strong foundation in mention key subjects. Throughout my academic journey, I have actively engaged in mention research, projects, or internships, which have strengthened my analytical and problem-solving skills. However, I recognize that advancing my knowledge through specialized training in Germany is crucial for achieving my long-term goals of mention your career aspirations, such as becoming a researcher, policy expert, or industry leader. Here, you want to emphasize your qualifications and experience. Mention any research projects, internships, or academic awards that set you apart. Then connect this experience to your career goals, explaining why further education in Germany is essential for your professional growth. Body paragraph 2. Why Germany and this university? This section should explain why you chose Germany and the specific university you're applying to. Example: Germany's reputation for excellence in education, particularly in mention your field, aligns perfectly with my academic and professional aspirations. The interdisciplinary approach, state-of-the-art facilities, and research-driven environment at university name will provide the ideal platform for me to develop innovative solutions to mention relevant global or local issues. Additionally, the opportunity to collaborate with international scholars and industry leaders will further refine my skills and broaden my perspectives. This paragraph is important because it shows that you have researched your chosen university and program. Mention specific research centers, professors, or facilities that interest you. Additionally, highlight how Germany's education system aligns with your learning goals. Body paragraph 3. Your future plans and impact. This section should outline how you plan to use the knowledge gained from the DAAD Scholarship to create positive change. Example: beyond academics, I am deeply committed to making a positive impact in my home country. I intend to leverage the knowledge gained from this program to contribute to mention specific plans, such as improving education, driving technological advancements, or influencing policy. By implementing best practices and fostering international collaboration, I hope to drive sustainable development and create opportunities for future generations. This is one of the most important sections, because DAAD values applicants who plan to use their education to benefit their home country. Be clear about your future goals, whether it's through policy making, research, industry leadership, or social initiatives. Showing a strong commitment to making a difference will make your application more compelling. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude and readiness. Your closing paragraph should reaffirm your enthusiasm for the scholarship, thank the selection committee for their time, and express your hope for a positive response. Example: I am confident that my academic background, professional experience, and dedication to social change make me a strong candidate for the DAAD Scholarship. I sincerely appreciate your time and consideration and hope to contribute to the DAAD community as a passionate and driven scholar. Thank you for your kind attention. I look forward to your positive response. This final paragraph reinforces your qualifications and gratitude. It also expresses your eagerness to become part of the DAAD community, which helps create a lasting impression. Sign off. End your letter with a formal closing. Example: sincerely, your full name. Using sincerely maintains a professional tone. Ensure your name is clearly written so your letter leaves a strong impression. And that's it. You now have a complete guide on how to write a motivation letter for the DAAD Scholarship. This letter should effectively highlight your educational background, career goals, reasons for choosing Germany, and how you plan to contribute to your home country. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment below with any questions or future topics you'd like me to cover. Best of luck with your DAAD application, and I'll see you in the next video.